Hello everyone, it's Notorious from Computer Parts. Today we will unbox a PSU from Redragon. It's a 600 watt 80 plus bronze gaming PSU, and we will take a look at the features of the PSU, the overall build quality, the connectors and other interesting aspects of this PSU. So without losing any more time, let's move on with the unboxing. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay, so looking at the box, pretty nice design, some Redragon graphics on the sides. It's made by Eastern Times Technology. Okay, here we have a graph. I don't know how visible it is, but it's referring to the efficiency of the power supply. Okay, the power supply was designed the reference Intel Power Supply Design Guide ATX 12 volt 2.3. The rated output of the total power is 600 watts. Features: 80 plus bronze certified, active power factor correction, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, over power protection, 14 centimeter liquid bearing mute fan, Japanese main capacitor used, provides 600 watts of continuous power. The output specifications are AC input voltage 100 to approximately 240 VAC, frequency 47 to 63 Hertz, input current 6 amps max, DC output plus 5 volts, plus 3.3, plus 12 volts, minus 12 and plus 5 VSB, max output current 20 amps, 21 amps, 48 amps, 0.3 amps, 2.5 amps, max output power 100 watts, 576, 3.6 watts, 12.5 watts, and a total power of 600 watts. Okay, now let's open the box to see what's inside, because this is the best part. Okay, let's see if my carambit did the job. Almost. Okay. Okay, so as I said, it's a pretty cool box, to be honest. All right, good packaging to avoid damaging the PSU. Okay, here are some cool sticker with the Redragon. Okay, full modular guideline. I think this is from a different type of PSU. These are full modular, semi-modular, because I saw they have multiple products. Yeah. All right, put this aside. We have power cable. Okay, let's see, here we have some zip ties and the assembly screws. Okay, nice touch with these zip ties, so you can work around in your case to make some wire management. Okay, and the first sign of a good quality PSU is the weight. This is a heavy PSU. Okay, let's see. I think, yeah, let's cut it here. Cut this bubble wrap. All right, let's get it off. All right, so this is the power supply. Let me take the box away from here. I have some more space. Okay, so this is the PSU. As I said, heavy, nice build quality, to be honest. All right, on off switch. Okay, 140 mil fan. I think most PSU brands have 120 mil fan. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. In terms of cables, we have, let me open them. All right, they are not sleeved. All right, so, but I'll be honest, I had some sleeved PSUs in the past, some C-Sonics, and my main issue was that the cables were too stiff. So when I tried to make some wire management inside the PC case, especially if it was a smaller PC case like a micro ATX, it was very difficult to route the cables because of the sleeving. So in this case I chose this PSU because it has no sleeving, but it all comes down to personal preference, to be honest. All right, so let's see what do we have here. Let's analyze each cable one by one. All right, now we have 1, 2, 3 SATA connectors, right, and a Molex on this first branch. All right, let's put it aside. Next, again, 1, 2, 3 SATA connectors and another Molex. That makes a total of 6 SATA connectors and 2 standard Molex. This you can use for older hard drive if you make a retro gaming build, or you can use them for system fans without the 3-pin connector, without the PWM. All right, let's move on to the next. We have a 4-pin connector, right? Another 4-pin connector. I think this one is for the graphics card. Correct me if I'm wrong, for bigger graphics cards, yeah. And the 24-pin connector. Lengthwise, let's see. Cables are pretty long, if you ask me. So even if you have a big case, a big tower case, I think you won't have issues with reaching your components. So yeah, overall I'm really impressed with my purchase. I will put this power supply unit in my retro gaming build and I will test it. I will test to see how noisy it is and overall reliability and time. Yeah. So till next time, keep in touch.